Hello guys, this is ANASTASIA and I continue showing houses that's available in Cincinnati. I never been in this neighborhood. It's really close to downtown and all the freeways. But looking at the streets, you still can see a lot of abandoned building, which you can, think like a good sign or bad sign. Good sign that you can probably get good deals, and maybe when it's gonna be fixed, it's gonna be a good neighborhood. This house, it's a triplex, and first we passed it by, we were thinking that they just demolished because of the address, but it has duplex side by side and probably another unit. So you see downtown, it's right there. It used to be a daycare. I'm not sure if somebody is living there or it's just not sure really what's going on. So let's go inside, because this unit looked like occupied, but this is really for sale. You cannot open, you can. Definitely need roof gutters. You didn't go in, huh?
Yeah, I went in, just looked around at the first floor.
Okay.
As soon as you walk in to your left is the bathroom.
Okay. This is a bathroom, in case if you don't know. And I was just talking to one of my investors, and asking them to put a bathroom on the first floor. And it was the only place, it was closet, and she was making fun of me, saying that it's too tiny. Look at this tiny bathroom, but it is a bathroom.
To your right.
Okay.
To your right.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Wow, it's really nice house. It's need a lot of work. It's a big house. The problem is that it says it's for sale by land bank, and most likely they're gonna ask you to hire a company that specializes in lead removal, lead paint removal, and it's gonna cost you money. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 huge rooms in the first floor. It reminds me of one house that investor bought on Harrison. Yep. So, and there is some mold issue too. But I'm just wondering if it's both units are for sale for this price, because it was saying, okay,
Another bathroom.
another bathroom.
That's on
Okay.
that's on the flashlight so you can see.
No, it's fine.
No, one second.
One more room. Look at these huge ceilings. Wow.
Okay.
Yep, it's another bathroom. One more room. Two rooms. Do you think it's third floor? Oh my god. It's a huge house. Okay.
That way you close this off, you have this second floor, and you come around here to get up to the third floor.
My god. So it's just one side, you think, huh?
Yes.
It's not the other house, okay. Yep. Look at this one. Look at this beauty. but it's still,
Yeah, roof damage.
it's a really nice house.
Bathroom.
But it's strange, you know, how they did it. Another bathroom, yeah.
And
Another room.
yeah.
Oh my god, how many rooms? Rooms and rooms and rooms. So they're just selling like half of the house?
Oh, this bathroom is deep.
Huh?
This bathroom is deep.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I lost count of rooms.
And kitchen, so you got
One. Yeah.
you have two up here.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2.
Two rooms here. And windows or door. Really strange where it can go. Okay, this is the first time that I see one structure, but it has two different numbers in it, and it looks like second one occupied, so I'm not sure if they're selling just half of the house. It's really strange. 3 bedrooms here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 upstairs, 5 and 3. It's a big house. And if you like stairs, it's really good for you. But does it need a lot of work? Hell yeah. But look how high ceilings are.
Basement.
Basement? Okay. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're adventurous.
Put your hand on my shoulder.
Yes, sir. You know what? I don't want to go.
You don't want to go?
No, let's just put some cameras here and that's it. It's a big basement, guys. That's it. No.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't want to go.
You turned around? Oh, wow.
I'm not sure. I like it. To be honest, I really like this house. It's only strange things. It's like, is it just this half of the house that's for sale? Or whole house? How is? You see, it's one structure. One structure. But it looks like somebody's living there. So if you're gonna find out that it's whole house it's for sale, it's definitely a good deal. But if it's just half, then you have to think about it. Okay guys, leave a comment below if you like me to put video letting you know. I will.